Okay, time for another update. So, got the sprocket on there. It's a 41 tooth. Could have gone bigger, but I was like, that'll do just fine. Had to drill out the holes to fit the bolts, in there. But it worked out really good. Then I got in today. The pegs, got those on. Made the seat. It's not perfect, but it's a hell of a lot better than what was on there, which was nothing, just bare metal. So this here is a lot more comfy. Let's see. So, let's see. Got this here shortened up. Got this one here shortened up. I'm thinking about readjusting it one more time, bring it down. I'm not sure yet. I haven't decided. So I still need to think about that one. Monday I'll have the brake line coming in, and then I'll slap that on, and then I got some .4 brake fluid there. I'll put that in there, bleed the brake, and see how it does. Tuesday, I have the breather valve for the gas cap. Have that coming in on Tuesday, and then after that, I guess all that's really left is getting the motor for it. Slap the motor on there, weld down the motor mount plate, and probably do some another piece of pipe here and one over here. I have to adjust it to where it needs to be, and after that should be good to go, I think. Yeah, should be good to go. Of course, a stage 1 kit would be good to put on here as well. So yeah. So I wanted to show you guys, and there we are. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you all later.